Would you be willing to make a minimum of $25 a day? Do you want to work as little as possible and earn as much as possible even from home or while schooling? If your answer is yes, then this video will show you various ways you can make money daily by putting in a little dedicated effort. So let's dive in. Number 1 is taking online surveys. An awesome way to make $25 a day is by taking online surveys, which can be very useful. You can easily earn money in your free time by taking paid surveys. Many of the apps give you free money so you can quickly make money. I've found that the highest paying survey site is Rakuten Insight. Other might offer more money per survey, but it takes longer to complete. You can withdraw your earnings if you reach $5, which is easier than the $30 minimum withdrawal level that some other sites require. Survey Junkie is another site that pays well and is a great platform. Here, in addition to taking surveys, you can also participate in paid focus groups that can cost up to $150. Wow, that's great. These platforms have been around for many years and have paid out millions of dollars to users. If you're looking for free money, here are some apps you should register for. Free $5 is what you can get with Swagbucks. Free $5 is what Inbox Dollars is. My Points is free. Online surveys can be a great way to make $25 a day when you devote some time to completing them. Number 2 is working as a virtual assistant. Have you ever considered working as a virtual assistant? I know many people who make $100 a day for their time if they work this remote side hustle. You'll get paid for completing a variety of tasks, such as posting on social media or updating a website, with this digital side job, and the best part is you don't need any special skills to get started. If you're tasked with something that's more complex, your employer will explain how to get it done, making it an awesome way to expand your skills. It will depend on your skills and experience, but most virtual assistants make between $20 and $30 a day. If you want to find work, you can either use a platform like Upwork, or network with online publishers to see if they need your help. If you're not sure where to start, I recommend you check out some virtual assistant accelerator courses online, where you can learn how to get started, land high-paying clients, and more. Number 3 is blogging. If you need to make a lot of money in a short period of time, it might not be worth it. However, if you're willing to commit your time to make money online over the long haul, it's one of the best ways to make passive income. You can escape the rat race, quit your job, and work whenever you please. Who wouldn't love that? You don't need to be an editor or writer to start. It's a great side hustle. You start with almost no money because you can start with as little as $150. You will need to purchase a domain name and hosting. For hosting, I use Bluehost because it is very affordable and reliable and comes with WordPress installed. Go ahead and choose a theme for your site, which is relatively easy. For my automated blog site, www.hobbyistmovement.com, I started with the Newsjack theme. You can then start planning your marketing and content strategies. Search engine optimization and email marketing are proven methods to grow a profitable site, so I recommend focusing on these. You can start creating and promoting content. If you aren't making millions in a few weeks, don't get down. With consistency and focus, the sky is your limit on how much you can make in a single day. I know a few people who make $50,000 a month or more from their websites. Presently, the highest earning blogging site, HuffingtonPost.com, earns hundreds and millions of dollars annually. There are many ways in which you can make money through your blog posts and earn money from your website. Another bonus is that because you're building an income-generating asset, you can eventually sell your site on a platform like Flippa or Empire Flippers to make some serious money. Most content sites will sell for around 40 times their monthly profit, so if you build a site that earns $1,000 a month, it would be worth around $40,000. If you're willing to put in the work, there's a good chance you'll make a lot of money. It can take a while to make money, but if you stick with it, it can be life-changing. Number 4 is using gig economy apps. Thanks to the explosion of the gig economy, there are many ways to make money. It's easy to earn money when you have free time thanks to apps. If you want to make a full-time living with these apps, you can. Some of the best gig economy apps are DoorDash, which is a way of making money by delivering food. With Instacart you get paid for delivering groceries. Rover and Wag are two popular pet sitting and dog walking apps that you can make extra cash from. The amount of money you can make will depend on the platform you use and how well you do your job, but in most cases you can earn more than $20 an hour. It's easy to reach your goal of earning $25 a day, and you can make $50 a day in some cases. Number 5 is freelancing writing. If you are good in writing, or you have writing as a hobby, making $25 a day is very possible. There are a lot of easy online jobs for beginners. Some popular websites where you can get writing gigs are ClearVoice, Constant Content, iWriter, TextBroker, and WriterBay. Depending on your skills, the amount of money you can make varies. Some jobs will pay $100 an hour, while others will pay $30 an hour. One of the best ways to make $25 a day is by freelance writing, as most jobs will pay at least $25 an hour and you can do it from anywhere in the world with an internet connection. Number 6 is affiliate marketing. Without a lot of skills, affiliate marketing is a great way to make extra money online. The methodology behind affiliate marketing is easy to understand. You'll earn a small commission for any sales that are generated through your links. Some top affiliate programs that you can make money from are Amazon Associates, ClickBank, Skimlinks, ShareASale, Impact, and Awin. Adding their affiliate links to your best videos, blog posts, and sales pages is a great way to make money on your website, blog, or social media channels. This method relies on the fact that you need an audience to make money. It's quite easy to make money with affiliate marketing if you have a large social media following, an email list, or a blog that gets serious traffic. Number 7 is doing odd jobs. Are you interested in making money and have some free time? Depending on the job, you can make up to $50 per day from odd jobs. Weeding a garden, for example, can pay over $25 an hour. Helping other people move is another great option. These jobs are not fun, but they are great side hustles for teens and adults to make money whenever they have time. If you want to find work, you can either post your services on social media or use an app like Nextdoor to find people who need your help. You can also use an app like TaskRabbit to find jobs. You can make over $25 an hour depending on the job. Number 8 is flipping. If you're willing to put in the work, flipping can be an excellent way to make money. You can make money by finding discounted items and selling them for a profit. You can flip a lot of things, from furniture to clothes to digital real estate. It's all about the effort you're willing to put in to flip. People who try to find great deals can make a lot of money from it. If you spend time browsing platforms like Facebook Marketplace and going to yard sales, you'll find some hidden gems that can be worth decent money. Some of my favorite places to find stuff are Facebook Marketplace, yard sales, Next App Door, and thrift stores. Number 9 is investing. One of the best ways to make passive income is by investing. If you want to make $25 a day, it is possible. You can invest in the stock market with as little as $5 and get $10 completely free if you use an investing app. Fundrise can be used to invest in real estate with as little as $10 and get $10 free. It will take more than $5 or $10 if you want to make $25 a day investing. It will take at least $125,000 to make $25 a day from your investments, assuming an average return on your money of around 7%. Number 10 is proofreading. If you have some basic English skills and want to get paid for your time, you can make a side hustle out of proofreading. It's a great job for retired teachers because they can use their free time and knowledge of the English language to make extra money. With this job, you will find and fix grammatical errors in writing to make sure they are in line with editorial guidelines. The pay for this job will depend on your experience, but most will go for at least $25 an hour. You can register for Proofread anywhere to learn how to make money from proofreading. In conclusion, there are lots of ways to make $25 a day if only you are willing to put in the effort required. This video has pointed out various options for you, even though some will require more work than others. My favorite methods include taking surveys, delivering food, and blogging. If you want to learn how I built my blog website that has daily automatically generated posts, then leave a comment below. You can visit my website at www.hobbyistmovement.com to see for yourself.